Is your Wi-Fi current password isn't working on your iPhone? If you're experiencing issues with your iPhone's Wi-Fi connection and receiving an incorrect password error message, follow only 3 advanced troubleshooting guides to resolve the problem. Solution 1. Restart your iPhone. Sometimes, simply restarting your iPhone can fix connectivity issues. Try turning off your iPhone completely, then turning it back on after a few minutes. Solution 2. Remove old Wi-Fi data. Open Setting, tap Wi-Fi, tap Edit, remove all from here. Now re-enter your password and see what happens. Solution 3. Reset the Wi-Fi network on iPhone. To do this, go to Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Transfer and Reset iPhone. Tap Reset Network Setting, tap Reset Network Setting again. After that, double-check the Wi-Fi password. Ensure you enter the correct password for the Wi-Fi network you're trying to connect to. If the issue persists after trying these steps, it may be worth contacting the Wi-Fi Help Center for further assistance.